If you have ever wondered what I actually do at work, the simplest answer is this. I figure out how complicated technology fits together, and then I make it easier for people to use. I started with email, not just sending messages, but the big systems behind the scenes that deliver thousands of messages every day. Imagine a giant digital post office. Every message needs the right address, a safe route, and a mailbox waiting at the other end. Most of the time, nobody notices that system. They just press send and expect it to work. When a message got stuck, my job was to follow its path, find the broken connection, and get everything moving again. That taught me something important. A problem you see on the screen is often caused by something deeper underneath it. Later, those systems started moving into the cloud. Machines were no longer all sitting in one room, but the same ideas still mattered. People needed email, shared files, meetings, applications, and secure ways to sign in. All those pieces needed to work together. That became my world. M365, identity, security, SharePoint, Teams, and the cloud. But the part I really fell in love with was automation. Automation means teaching a computer to handle repeatable work correctly every time. It is like creating a recipe the system can follow. When this happens, check these things, make the right decisions, and complete the next steps. I began building applications and automated processes for real teams. Instead of making someone copy information between emails and spreadsheets all day, I could build a tool that collected the information, send it to the right person for approval, save the result, and let everyone know it was finished. One of my favorite examples is helping a new employee start work. On their first morning, they need more than a computer. They need an account, an email mailbox, the correct licenses, access to the right files, the right team spaces, and permission to use the applications for their role. Without automation, those requests can bounce between human resources, a manager, and IT. If one step is forgotten, that new employee may spend days waiting for access instead of doing the job they were hired to do. So I designed a better way. The system looks at the person's role and works out which digital keys they should receive. It creates the account, assigns the right tools, adds the correct access, and prepares the workspace. By the time the person sits down, everything they need can already be waiting for them. That is what I love about automation. It is not really about making computers do more work. It is about removing frustration from people's lives and giving them time to do the work that actually needs a human. Today, my role is principal architect for identity and M365. That does not mean I design buildings. I design how the company's digital world fits together. Identity is the starting point. It tells the system who someone is. Security checks what they are allowed to do. M365 gives them the tools to communicate and collaborate. Automation connects everything and makes the experience consistent. I still solve technical problems and build things, but now I also look at the whole picture. I help make sure the systems are secure, understandable, maintainable, and ready to grow. The technology changed a lot during my career, but the part I enjoy never changed. I like finding the messy process, understanding why it is difficult, and building a system that makes it work better. That is what I do. I give people the right digital keys and tools at the right time, and I build the automation that helps everything happen smoothly behind the scenes.